How to reset Lloyds Bank login detail. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on resetting Lloyds Bank login details. So in order to reset your Lloyds Bank login detail, you could follow these steps. First thing, you want to open the Lloyds Bank app or visit the online login page. So if you want to use the browser version of it, you want to go ahead and type in lloydsbank.com. After which you want to select the login button, then you just want to select the type of account that you have, and underneath you just want to select forgot your login details. As you've done this, you have to provide in your user ID if known, or account details like account number when prompted to enter and so. When you've done that, Lloyds will perform a security check, often by sending a one-time passcode via text or automated call to your registered mobile number. After which you want to enter the code to confirm your identity, then follow the prompt to update your password and memorable information. And that's where you're going to reset Lloyds Bank login details. And with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.